Noise.
Oh! Here comes the money. Whoa, what's up guys? So first up, we are here at Walmart. We got our pouch to put the money in, most important. We got some peanut M&Ms, some Skittles, and some gumballs to fill this machine inside. And let me tell you, me and Cody went shopping here the other day for some stuff. That machine is empty.
Yeah, big time.
Big time, but you know what that means? Loaded with silver. So, let's grab this candy. Oh, don't worry, we got the scale inside here. Here, I'll show you real quick. Got the scale to weigh all the money, the quick play pouch. Ooh, guess I should grab the keys as well. Whoa. Oh my. What'd I tell you guys? Gosh. You couldn't get candy out of that if you wanted to.
Right.
All empty, and hey, someone did us a favor. They graffitied it, but it says quarters only. Thanks guys, as if it wasn't obvious.
Yeah.
All right, let's open this guy up. Bada boom. Start with the Skittles, and our Skittles label was stolen.
What?
Gotta love that, but we got some more from vendinglabels.com, no big deal. Always look where you're pouring that candy, guys. You wanna make sure it's going in the right spot. We don't wanna dump the Skittles into the peanut M&Ms.
That would suck.
That would be a mess. Ooh, that filled up nicely. And our below pop gumballs.
Where do we get those, Eli?
Vendingmachines.com.
Oh.
That's the only place you guys should get them. Look how fresh they look. Bada boom. There we go. Only had to use like half the bag right there, and look how much that filled that up. Excellent. So now we shut and lock this. We're gonna do the tilt. Just watch. Let's go ahead and do the tilt now. But why do we do the tilt, Cody?
Make it look nice and cool.
See, look, here's where it's at right now. Went up above the finger. Makes it look more full, guys. Now, let's get to the fun part. You ready? How much did this machine make in a month?
Oh my gosh. Absolutely
Loaded with silver. Stacks of silver, guys. Oh, already spilling it. What's a quick play video unless you spill some money?
Is that true?
Getting the last of this in here. Man, this bag is getting heavy, guys. There's a lot of silver in here. There's some tape. Wow, thank you. Excellent. And bada boom. Nobody. Oh, had some guys hiding in the back. But please don't collect me.
Yeah.
Look at that. Any guesses, guys? No need to guess. We're gonna go out to this car right now. Weigh it up. Let's go. All right, guys. Last chance to guess to see how much money this is. Here.
That is actually.
That's actually 72.
I'm guessing 103.
Really?
I don't know.
I hope you're right.
Me too.
Oh
93.
my gosh, you were way close. Guys, one of the best months we've seen here at Walmart.
Yeah.
You saw how empty it was. You know what that means? It means we missed out on money. Not good, but we did get it filled up. We just made almost $100. Not all profit, of course. We had to put some peanut M&Ms in, some Skittles, some gumballs. But at the end of the day, we made at least 50, 60 bucks.
But guys, prices are going up.
Prices are going up. Here's how much the peanut M&Ms were. Here's how much the Skittles were.
It's hurting.
It's hurting, definitely going up. We might have to switch to 50-cent mix. I don't know yet, but for right now, we're gonna leave it at 25 cents. Take our profits, move on to the next machines.
Cool.
Whoa, we're at the ice cream factory.
Yeah.
Got the giant gumball machine inside. All we need for this location is the pouch to put the money in, the scale to weigh the coins, and the keys to open the machine.
Nice.
Guys, first of all, got the scale all set up. Oops, we wanna have that on.
This is a new setup. We've never been over here before.
No, we haven't. We got this on 25 cents each. Got the keys. Look how low this is.
Oh my god.
Let's just get straight to the money. Oops. Guess it would help if I had the right key, huh? Oh! Hello. That's a lot of silver.
Yeah.
In fact, I gotta two-hand this, guys.
Oh my, is it that heavy?
Yes. Oh. Yes, Cody, it's that heavy. Here we go. Any guesses? 150.
172.
Oh my god. I love being wrong.
Yeah.
200, guys. Sometimes it makes that total. Yeah. Wait a minute. if it is that much in silver, how much cash is in it?
Oh, good point, good point.
I bet it's absolutely stacked.
Got it.
Holy cow, can I?
Noise.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bam.
We're talking over $500 here. Maybe another record for the biggest collection ever from this machine.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for this?
Insane.
226.75, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 328, 554.75. I'm pretty sure that's a new record. If not, it's way up there with our records. That is absolutely mind-blowing from a gumball machine.
Nuts.
Absolutely nuts. We love it, but we gotta write up their commission, give them their cut, because the ice cream factory is awesome. And if it weren't for this amazing location in this hot summer, that machine would have never made that much money.
No, not a chance.
Not a chance. Gotta give them their money, and then move on to more machines. Let's go. Hey, where are we at now?
We are at West Main. Show them.
Oh, West Main Pizza.
Excellent pizza.
True.
Excellent machine in there.
True.
Gets used like crazy.
That it does.
Got Skittles, got peanut M's, got the gumballs.
And a pouch, and a pouch.
But I had it.
Smart.
Hands are full.
There you go.
I have a feeling it's gonna need just about everything.
Ooh, we're inside.
Guys, take a look at these Skittles and peanut M&Ms.
Sun bleach.
Got way too close to the window. It was right here.
Right.
So I guess the sun just beating down on it.
Yeah.
So gonna take this, swap it out, clean it really nicely, and put some fresh in it. But the quarters are perfectly fine.
Oh, that's true. That's true. You can't sun bleach the quarters that are in the back.
Imagine if we did though. They're just all melted inside.
That'd be crazy.
Go.
Moment of truth. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, and some candy for
Made
us.
a little bit of a mess.
A lot of silver though.
Gonna clean this candy mess. Look at that.
Yeah, we'll get that out of there, and then we'll shovel in the quarters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, got all that candy out of there.
Now let's scoop these sticky quarters out.
Okay. Sounds good.
But they're still usable, you know?
Well, silver.
Silver.
You know what I mean?
There we go.
ASMR for you guys.
Yeah, you can sleep through it. Saw some logs.
Almost got them all there.
So close.
Man, that's at least 20.
All right, we got
like
everything.
$70 in a penny. Oh, I'm gonna get that penny out of there. There we go.
Looking pretty
Probably
good.
like $70.
Something like that.
That's really good. Well, what are you gonna let her know? The manager?
I'm gonna let her know that I'm taking this guy out of here,
Clean it up.
get it all good, and put new
Right.
candy in it, and bring it right back.
Okay. Well, we'll let her know that, and then we'll get out to the car, count this up.
Weigh it up.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess $70.
Let the manager know that I'm gonna make things all good and
Right.
fill it up and clean it, and everything is chill.
Good.
You guys 70?
I guess
I'm gonna go a little
$70.
high. I'm gonna go 112.
I wish.
Oh, you were closer that time.
80-50. That is
Way
phenomenal,
closer.
though. Guys, we played for this candy a couple times over now.
How much
Several.
was the total? 112?
Yeah, this was about $112. We had another two right here that before we put them in the Walmart machine, so
Pretty good.
Looking good so far. We gotta go service.
Got 2 more spots.
At least.
Right?
At least 2.
Let's go check them out.
Whoa, money's building up, and where are we at?
It's looking pretty good. We're at Domenico's.
Boom.
They got great food.
They have great
do
food.
seafood and Italian. Man, it's good.
It is
real
really
good. But
Right.
let's go inside. I just have a good feeling Gumballs is gonna be where it's at.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out like you said.
Yeah.
Oh, you called it. Well, you also cheated and you checked it beforehand. Look at that fresh candy in there.
Looking good. Look at these stickers though.
Oh my, guys, from this far away, they looked like it was just pale white, but from up here, you can actually see that they're
If you
bleached.
get really, really close, well, you can see what they are.
Yeah, you gotta get really close. We'll put some new stickers on that
Yeah.
guy as well.
Freshen it up a little bit.
Because unless you have 20/20 vision, you can't read that. Anybody that doesn't have 20/20 vision can't read that. See that? Boom.
Go.
She'll need a tilt at the end too.
Oh yeah.
For sure, for sure. You guys like these black machines? I really like these black ones. Comment down below, black candy machine, if you like these black colored ones. They're one of my favorites.
Mine's black and blue.
Yeah. Well, the theme of this restaurant is yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. You know what I mean? Whiz.
Yeah.
Lift that guy up.
Turn it around.
Yeah, do a little lift on that guy. There you go. See what we're looking at. I bet it's loaded, honestly.
Ooh, not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all.
Let's go.
Getting the last of it in there.
It's one hiding.
The ones that are back in the shadows that you can see. There you go.
You know,
30, 40 bucks? Not too bad.
That's what I'm thinking.
Not too shabby. We'll let you lock it up and do our patented tilt.
Do I have permission?
Well, yeah, because guys, I patented the tilt, so I give Cody rights. Galaxy Games, all you guys who have machines like this, you guys can do it too. If you have a YouTube channel, you can use my patented tilt.
Whoa.
Yeah.
No charge?
No charge.
Whoa.
Boom. Made it way more full. Excellent. Let's count it up.
Let's go.
I'm gonna guess 30.
30? Let's go 31.
Okay. Oh, I beat you.
Dang.
Hey, still solid for a month though.
Pretty good.
What's the minimum we'll take in a month from a candy machine?
At least 20.
Yeah, no, realistically, it used to be 15, but 20 bucks would be the minimum these days.
These days, I mean, times are hard, guys. Things are getting expensive, and
20 bucks minimum a month, and we'll keep it on location. So you get to stay. We have another machine to service.
we saved the best for last.
Oh yeah. Should we get over there?
Let's go.
Last spot, we're in the back of the mall. Our arcade's inside, and we haven't serviced that candy machine in a couple weeks, and it usually does pretty solid, that Rhino from candymachines.com.
Yeah.
So we're gonna grab the gumballs, grab the Skittles, grab the M&Ms, and a pouch, get on in there, service it. Voila, the most empty candy machine you've ever seen. But hey, at least the labels on these are all here.
Yeah, right? That's one upside.
They look good. Let's crack this guy open. Get this candy put inside.
Nice.
We got peanut M&Ms. Bada boom. And then last but not least, definitely not least, the most profitable, Gumball. Oh,
Man, that looks good.
Didn't that help so much, guys? I'll even do the tilt again first. Watch this.
Boom.
Look at that. Now that's a candy machine.
Yeah.
Question is, how much did it make in a couple weeks? Probably a lot. Ooh.
Hello.
Loaded with silver. Let's get it in this bag. In this pouch, rather. Oh, it's got this lip on it, though.
Evil lip.
Ooh, it's gonna take me a minute. I'll get right back to you.
All right.
Almost got it all here.
Down to the last ones.
And bada boom. Anybody hiding? Nope. What do you guys think? Any guesses? That's really solid for 2 weeks. Again, though, it is in our arcade, and we have a change machine right there, so hence why it does so well. There's quarters on demand.
Very true.
We'll lock her up. Already did the tilt. Let's go weigh it up.
Let's go.
Final machine, any guesses? Now, there are a couple pennies and dimes in here, so give or take, I'm gonna guess like 30 bucks?
34.
34. Oh, wait, oh.
Hang on.
Give or take $1 or $2, either way around 50 bucks. We love it. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna review some brand new machines from candymachines.com. Don't miss it. See you in the next one. Bye.